Hey guys, today we're going to talk about 15 Instagram growth tips. We all want to have that great Instagram page about our story, about our life, about our brand, and these are some tips that can make that happen. Number one is daily stories. You should be putting on daily stories at least every 3 hours. If you want to get some traction on your page, put daily stories up every 3 hours. Another one's answer every message you get. You can't let them just sit in your inbox. People message you for a reason. It might be they want something. It might be they want to tell you how great a post was. It might be something that resonated with them. But you want to answer those messages. Respond to your comments. That's a super important one. If you don't respond to your comments and you don't interact with your fans and your likes and the people who will follow you, they're not going to follow you on your page. Daily posts. At least 3 to 4 posts a day. And in our business, I like to get at least 10 posts a day. Now, you can schedule them. You don't have to be sitting there all day on the phone, but it takes literally 5 seconds to put a post up on Instagram. So it's not out of the story to do this. Set up your story highlights. If you don't know, on your mobile device, whether on your iPad or on your phone, you can set up highlights for your stories, and we like to change them as much as possible. The next one, use a call to action in your captions. You have to use a call to action. That could be call me, click here, go to this link. Without a call to action, you're missing the boat. Relevant hashtags to your posts. So you don't want to put a picture of a car up and put hashtag boat. You want to put hashtag car or hashtag Chevy. It should be relevant to the pictures that you put up. Otherwise, people are going to be confused and they're going to stop following you. Use engagement groups. Engagement groups are any kind of group that you're involved with. For us, I like baseball cards, so you might be in a group with Topps. You might be in a group of collectors, people who do box breaks for baseball cards. Whatever you're into, find groups. There's a million of them out there. Do things that similar pages like you are doing. Make sure you're checking out other pages. That's going to tell you where the trends are going. Don't copy. Do it better. Turn on post notifications on bigger accounts and leave genuine comments. So if you're a carpenter, follow other carpenter pages and leave comments on their pages. If you're into collectibles, follow collectible pages and leave comments on there. You're going to get a lot of interaction and you're going to get a lot more followers from that. Good hashtags are super important. We want long hashtags and we want short hashtags. Hashtags are going to explain what your post is about, what you want people to know about that post, and a lot of people search just by hashtags. A super important one is post when your followers are most active. How do you know that? So you're going to check your insights. Instagram is great telling you when your followers are on. I know mine are on between 5 and 9 o'clock at night. So it's super important if you have something important to say that you do it during the time that they're on. Otherwise, it's going to get lost. Post viral content. Okay, so you're saying, how do I know what viral content is? And not a lot of people know. Otherwise, we would all have viral content. So you're looking for trends. You want to post about things that are happening now. You want to make unique videos that people that just love. You have to really dive in deep, check out what everybody else is posting, and then do it better. A super important one is creating a good bio that explains what your page is all about. Again, if you're a painting contractor like us, and your bio says that you love baseball and you want to play in the major leagues, that doesn't really explain your company's brand. So you want to dive into that bio, and you're going to check this across all social media platforms, but especially on Instagram. Check your insights. Check your insights and see what post worked for you, and then post them again. If you have a post that went crazy and you got a lot of views on it, that's what people like. So create similar posts and post them again. So that's just some tips. 15 Instagram growth tips. We want to get your Instagram page blowing up. Follow these tips every day. Follow the graphic that we threw up on the screen, and hopefully you can get your Instagram page blowing up.